Yes children, this is exercise 6.1, fourth sum. Now here they have given if x plus y is equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. Now here children, if you know one statement, that is enough to solve the sum. That is, angles in a point add up to 360. What is the meaning? Suppose this is a point, and whatever angles you draw surrounding this point and you add this, they always will sum up to 360. Let it be 3 angles, 1, 2, 3, but because it is surrounding a point, this 1, 2, 3 angle will give you 360. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 will give you 360. So if you know the statement, it is very easy to solve the sum. So now if you see, AOB is a straight line, and these x, y, w, z are surrounding the point O. So when you add them, x plus y plus w plus z, they will sum up to 360 because they are the angles around the point O. Now here they are told that w plus z is equal to x plus y. So now here instead of w plus z, I can write x plus y because they are equal. So if I write, substitute w plus z with x plus y, I will get 2x plus 2y. 2x plus 2y is equal to 360, and 2 is common in both. So if I take 2 common outside, x plus y will be inside, which is equal to 360 degree. And here 2 is being multiplied. So when I take 2 here, it will become division. So x plus y is equal to 360 divided by 2, which is equal to 180. That means x plus y is 180 degree. That means this plus this is equal to 180 degree. So when do we get 180 degree children? When it is a straight angle. That means this AOB is a straight line. That's why x plus y, which is above AOB, is 180 degree. Therefore, we can say AOB is a straight line. That's all. Bye.